we are going to do a program to unlock the door using a key. So here we are going to define there are three doors, and each door is having different key. So what is the door number and what its corresponding key number that we are going to predetermine in the program using the static value or the default value declaration statements. And you're going to ask from the user through the keyboard. There are two inputs. The first one is you're going to ask the user to enter the door number, and then you're asking the user to enter the corresponding key value. And then in the programming logical part, you're going to verify the door number and the key numbers are matches. And if there is a match is found, then you're going to say the door is opened. Otherwise, you are going to say the door is locked and give the valid or enter the valid door number and the key number. So this is how this program is going to be. For this program, re-include the required header file, that is stdio.h standard input output header file, and then define the main function. And the first part of the declaration is about the door number. For example, the door number 1 is going to be D1, and I'm declaring the value, it is 1. And its key, that is K1, which is going to be 111. And door 2 is equal to, that is the second variable, which is going to be D2, that is 2, door 2, and its key is equal to 222, and comma, you can assign different values. Door 3, that is which is meaning the variable D3, and its corresponding key value, that is K3 is equal to 333. So this is about door 1, and this is about door 1's key, and door 2 and its key, and door 3 and its key. Now you have to read two inputs, that is D and K, that is door and key value from the user. So that is why we have declared D and K. Now you have to prompt the user to enter the door number and the key and its key. Now you have to use the scanf statement to read these two value of type integer. So you have to mention the type specifier as %d. Two values we are going to read at the same time. So 2 times %d. Then it is followed by the variable name. Now we are going to read the last two variables, that is d, comma, ampersand k. That alone you have to mention. Now the door value and the key values are entered by the user. Now you have to use the if statement. Using if statement, you are writing the condition. Like the first door, whether the user entered the key and the door numbers are matches with the first door. So we are going to say if D is equal to entered door value is equal to D1, and one more condition we are going to say, and entered key is equal to K1. Here the double equal to operator is act as a comparison operator, equal to operator, and we are going to say in the printf statement, we are going to display that which door is open, that is door 1 is opened successfully. So this is how we are going to say a message to the user. The next condition, that is using else if statement, you can write. Similarly, maybe the user entered the door number matches with the second door, that is D2, and the key value of second door is matched with K2. Then we are going to convey the message, that is door 2 is opened successfully. And one more condition, that is we cannot say everything is matched with the last door, so we cannot directly go for else statement. So you have to write one more condition, like if the door number is matches with the third door and its key also matches with the third key, that is equal to K3. So here I have messed out if print. So in the printf statement, you're going to say now door 3 is opened successfully. That and if user may enter some wrong options, for example, the door number may be more than one, more than three, or some other number, some other digit. So that is why in the else statement you are going to convey a message to the user that a wrong data entry for door and key value, door and key values. Door is locked. So that is where the door is locked. This is the message you are conveying to the user. Now save the program using the command escape colon WQ exclamatory symbol. Now compile the program using cc filename.c. If there is no error, you can go for executing the program. Now the program is asking for the door number and then key. First one is door number. So I'm giving correct value door number and the next one is key. So what it's saying, among all these three doors, these values are matched with the first door. That is why door 1 is opened successfully. In case I'm executing the program once again, I'm giving the door number correctly, but the key value I'm entering about second door key value. So what it will say, it's a wrong data entry for the door and key values. Now the door is locked only, and I may enter door number correctly and its corresponding key value. Okay, so key value if I change, so at that time also you will get this kind of message. And if I enter some other character, it definitely the first data reading part itself, it will say it's a wrong data entry because I have given an input of character data type. And if I gave some other numbers or any other combination of digits, if I framed also, it will say it is wrong. For every other value, it will say it is wrong. So this is how you have to do this program.